Getting gifted gear in a professional kitchen that only does one thing, especially if you're in a tiny environment or your station doesn't have that much real estate, can be super frustrating. And so this is my list of anti-unitaskers in kitchens that could potentially serve as a gift guide for you going into the holidays. The first one, and I did a whole feature of this in my breakdown of the Bear, is a cake tester. A brand called Ateco makes these plastic topped, really cheap ones. These have indents for your fingers, and the metal is just thin enough and doesn't come to an exact point. It's just kind of like a rod that you can stick into proteins and then test on your lip. You can actually use this as described for cakes, and so you can insert them into things that have batters and check and see if they're done. I'm also a big fan of having one of these around so that if you ever do like plastic wrapped roulades, because you can poke the little air bubbles that invariably show inside of the plastic wrap with one of these. If at any point there are tasks that I don't describe that you can do with any of these pieces of gear, leave them in the comments, because I'd love to know how even more versatile this gear is for you. All right, I'm actually gonna open this because I got a bunch of these from Cutler. These are their blue-handled palette knives. These have applications across sweet and savory presentations, from cooking on the line and being able to turn things over inside of a saute pan, to a grill, to being able to go on pastry and ice cakes or spread tuile batter. These ones from Cutler have gone through lots of materials and design iterations, but the current kind of metal that they're using doesn't, it has flex, but if you flex it, it actually returns back to its shape. The tang that runs through it and the handle design is super smooth. The rivets make it feel really, really sturdy. Depending on when you're watching this, I might have a special where I'm giving away some of these to folks that enroll in Total Station Domination, which is my kitchen productivity course. Link in the description. Next up, this is a channel favorite, the Get It Right Mini Spoonula, and it's in the name. It's a spatula and a spoon combined, and so by definition, this is combining two things. Think like braised kale, chimichurri, stuff like that. This is fantastic because you can scoop out portions and you can decide exactly how much actually goes into your saute pan or your ninth pan or wherever you're setting up your station. I'm a big fan of these because of the unibody design, so the head can't separate from the handle, and you can also just keep these super clean because of the fact that it's all a piece of silicone. Next up is one that I can't show you in person because it both lives on my computer as well as my phone, and that is Mies for recipes. If you're keeping track of things in multiple notebooks, task managers, if you have spreadsheets for costing, I have found Mies to be a fantastic aggregator for all of that information, and I'm actually spending the next couple of weeks transferring all of my recipe information over to Mies, believe it or not, using their free tier. And so depending on who you're gifting this for in your life, maybe giving them a subscription might be valuable, but for most folks, just making them aware of the fact that you can organize all your recipes, share them with other folks, and get the numbers dialed in a way that doesn't seem like you have to use a calculator or download some sort of plugin for a spreadsheet is such a time saver. I'm building out my library in Mies, and I've just found it again to be a fantastic anti-unitasker. Last up, this is a bit of a bonus. I used to carry these mini utility knives around in my pocket all the time when I was working the line, and even as a sous chef, because the ability to just kind of extend a quick blade, whether it's opening boxes that just came in from a purveyor, cutting tape on your station so that you don't have to wander over to your bag, open it up, grab a scissors, and then wander back over to your station to cut the tape. Having something like this in your pocket, and it's not one of those big utility knives, is really, really valuable. These have snap-off blades, so the tip of whatever blade that you're using is always super sharp. This comes in different colors, and they're relatively affordable. You can just keep it inside of your pocket and also not get stabbed.
I got stabbed. Not right now. I got stabbed.
Another feature I'm a really big fan of on these is the fact that you can just get the blade out with just one hand. I have done the thing in the past, I've talked about it previously, where I keep a pocket knife, but the fact that you have to take it out, have two hands, open the blade, and then you can cut your thing, this is just so much faster because you can just take it out, extend the blade, and cut your box or whatever you're doing. Consider this my small but mighty list of anti-unitaskers for professionals working in kitchens. We have our cake tester, we have our palette knife, especially if you get an upgrade from a brand like Cutler, the Get It Right Mini Spoonula, as well as Mies on the computer, on your phone, and then a mini utility knife that you can just keep in your pocket. This has been my list. If you have some favorite anti-unitaskers that you use for multiple things across your workday, please leave them down low in the comments. There are people watching this video that would love to see your recommendations. I really appreciate your attention as always. My name is Justin Khanna. Like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I hope you have a good one.